What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out jewelry from a brand that's been in the game for about 7 years. You may have heard of them. They go by SKELETONHD. They are pretty infamous on the Instagram, and I'm obsessed with their creations. I'm a huge advocate for handcrafted, beautifully manufactured luxury jewelry for men, for women, for anyone actually. I'll wear anything if it looks good. And this brand, let me tell you, all their pieces look phenomenal. They were kind enough to actually reach out to me to check out some of their pieces, so I'm super excited to see what's in this box. So today we're pretty much gonna unbox this, we're gonna check out some of their jewelry together and have a SKELETONHD experience. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. I'm so excited to see what is in this box and share this experience with you guys because SKELETONHD, they've been on my radar for quite some time now. I follow a lot of jewelry brands on Instagram, and they are one of the most infamous ones I've seen for quite some time. So we're lucky to have this experience together. Now, just like that saying says by little Miss Coco Nazi Chanel, before you leave the house, take one article of accessory or whatever the heck she says off. I
am the complete opposite.
I pile on my accessories. Before I leave the house, I don't feel complete if I at least have like 3 pieces of jewelry on. That's just me. That's my style. That's how I am. And I can always be adding these to that. So let's go ahead and get this open, guys. I've read tons of good things about SKELETONHD on skeletonhd.com. Of course, leave all their information in the description down below, but they have a great reputation when it comes to not only like their designs, but also the quality of their pieces and the way that it's manufactured and delivery as well. So this actually came super quick. Well, we're already experiencing some SKELETONHD because we see black as soon as we open up the box. That is the key, I feel like, when it comes to this brand. They have a lot of sleek black accessories and everything's skull related as well, which is pretty cool. They have an awesome About Me if you want to check that out as well on their website. But they have a lot of black pieces, which is something I appreciate because when I think of luxury jewelry, for some reason, like aside from diamonds, black is something that really sticks out to me. So I appreciate that. Now, some stuff in here. That's what's in the box. So quite a bit of pieces. Let's start off with this one, whatever this is. You guys, Skeleton is not playing. I mean, this box feels luxurious, the house, and I'm loving how we have a drawer moment. So that's how we're gonna take it out. But I just want to make sure I acknowledge, like, not a lot of brands deliver an experience like this when it comes to like packaging. So we love that. And let's get her open. Oh my gosh, you guys. So looks like we have a necklace. Shut up. This is beautiful. So SKELETONHD obviously likes skeletons. They have a lot of skeleton jewelry, but this, you guys, that is sick. So this black chain, which is incredibly beautiful, and this black skull right here. Okay, I'm loving how minimal this is, but at the same time, like, this is a statement piece. Like, this is not just something that, you know, is underneath the radar. This is amazing. Shut up. And it feels very nice. Like, it has weight to it. It's not a cheap plasticky necklace. Like, this feels kind of amazing, not gonna lie. I'm loving the color. I like how it does have a bit of a shine to it as well. It's not just completely matte or anything, but this is beautiful. And also it does have a bag for you to store your necklace. This is so cool. Like, details go very far for me when it comes to a brand. I'm a small business owner as well, so to see stuff like this, it really inspires me and makes me want to continue shopping for the brand. So I love that. And it's not just a bag, it actually has your name on there as well. So very, very sick. You guys, first impression, let me tell you, this is kind of amazing. I've checked out so many brands of jewelry on this channel, very fun ones. I like quirky, weird, and just jewelry that sticks out. To me, I feel like an accessory can completely make your outfit in general, your entire look. And that's why I firmly love to check out different brands of jewelry, because you could wear the most simple, you know, t-shirt, pair of jeans, but if you have really cool and unique jewelry, your outfit's lit. It's pretty much how it works for me, at least. And we have a box here. Okay, I think, yep, that's it. So let's see what is in this. Okay, this is super soft. I don't know what kind of material they use for this box, but how beautiful is this? This goes by SKELETONHD limited edition black box. So like I said before, they have a lot of black merchandise on their website, and I love that. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's just one of their business cards. And oh my gosh, how beautiful is that? Oh my god. So these two, we're gonna check out these first. What? Okay, so the weight, you guys, there's something about anything that has a little bit of weight to it that just feels more expensive to me. And these feel very heavy, so we're loving that. This is a stack. If you don't know the term stack when it comes to bracelets, it's basically just multiple bracelets on one wrist. And this right here is beautiful. Oh my gosh, are you seeing that? How amazing does that look with like a black shirt? Like all in general, like this is a vibe. This is a vibe. I like how they covered the skull for protection, so I'm gonna take that off. Not gonna lie, I kind of appreciate that too, because with the delivery, they want to make sure their product doesn't get damaged or scratched or anything. So they actually covered up the shiny skull just so it doesn't get like damaged or nicked or anything. But you guys, we got to appreciate this. Oh, there's more coverage on the back pieces right here. This is phenomenal. I'm loving the matte black. The details are exquisite in this piece, and I'm living. Like that's beautiful. We have one more bracelet though in this box, and if you can see that right there, it looks like this is kind of like a cuff. I'm not sure what exactly you call these, but we have two skulls on the end as well. Just took off the protection, and there we have it, you guys. This is a stunning piece. If you haven't noticed, like the color concept is completely in sync, and I'm loving it. So it's not even just like a solid black. It's kind of like, I don't know, like not like metallic-y because it has no other colors in there, but it's so beautiful. All right, let me actually, I'm gonna put everything on one wrist. Okay, that looks sick, but I think it would probably look better if I have it on the other wrist. Okay, yeah. Oh, wow. And I have to say, like, my wrists are kind of like medium sized. This fits pretty good. I don't see that falling off or anything, because if you can tell, like right there, it's not coming off. This is unique. I've never actually worn a bracelet like this. I'm not sure even the style that you would call this, maybe like a cuff bracelet. Definitely very unique, something that I've never experienced, but I like it and it's beautiful. You guys, this has been an amazing experience. Honestly, SKELETONHD, I highly recommend checking out their jewelry. I'm obsessed and in love. And I think I've discovered my new favorite brand of jewelry. So I highly recommend you guys checking them out. If you did enjoy this video, if you have any other jewelry for me to check out, any recommendations, suggestions, sound off in the comment section down below. Do not forget to check out skeletonhd.com. Of course, again, I'll leave all the information down below in the description. And if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd much appreciate your company. Share this video with your friends, your family, your loved ones, and do not forget to click the notification bell. That is very important. If you don't click the bell, it means you're not gonna be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, my personal Instagram is right here at 𝗧𝗏 if you wanna follow me on there as well. But until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.